So hey, what's up guys, this is me Huzaifa Finance here. This video is about how you can convert your USDT to BUSD or your BUSD to USDT or any other currency to USDT, and from any other currency from USDT to any other currency as well. So yeah, you can convert all those options on Binance. So let's start the video. Let's begin. But before starting, I want to tell you that make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon, because I always bring this much amazing content on the channel. So let's begin. Hey guys, you can see as I am on the screen of my mobile, I am in Binance application, and you can see there are plenty of options. You can see there is option of deposit, referral, good trading, margin, launchpad, savings, liquid swap, and there is an option of more. You need to click on this one as well. When you click on more, you will see you can see common function. On that there is option of trade as well. Below that there is an option of trade as well. You need to convert, you need to click on convert. If you click on convert, then you are going to see is that you get two options basically. So if you want to convert your USDT to BUSD, you need to select your USDT, and it has selected USDT, and now it is asking that from to. So basically we will convert from USDT to, and I am choosing BUSD basically. So let me just confirm it as well. So here you can see I am clicking on max. You can type the amount which you want to convert as well. Like if you want to just convert your 20, so you can convert that as well. You can click on preview conversion as well. Once you click on that as well, it will give you option as well to convert it as well. So yeah, you can convert accordingly into your BUSD as well. Let me show you some more options here as well, so that you get proper as well. You can just change from USD to BUSD. You can even convert to BNB, USDC, and all other cryptocurrencies given here. So it is very basic, it is very easy, so you can easily convert your currencies to a different currency which you are looking to convert in. So it is very easy, it is very basic. Let me repeat the process as well. So the first thing you need to do is click on more, and then you need to go to convert, and then you can see you can just do it USDT, and then BUSD, and yeah, you can then just convert, and even you can select BUSDT to USDT, BUSD to USDT, Binance USD to USDT, that's here as well. So you can do the same way as well. You can type the amount, you can click the max as well. So you can transfer your crypto, you can convert your crypto from USD to BUSD or BUSD to USD. So yeah, this was the video. I have made many more videos as well on the channel regarding Binance, regarding cryptocurrency. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as well, press bell icon. Thank you so much for your support. See you guys next time. Bye guys, peace.